of the old train template. You know, I love a bit of this, and it's a very specific discipline to try and get something in it. I mean, if you just bung like a big load of letters in there, it's easy, right? But if you try and do characters and letters in a background, bit trickier. So of course I try and do the whole lot because that's the challenge, right? That said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to try something, and let's see what can be done. Wish me luck. Alright, so this is the story so far, right? Character, some fairly skanky letters, and I'm going to do a tiny little background there. You know, it's not a masterpiece, frankly, but this is part of the discipline, isn't it? That you just do the work. You do the work rather than constantly trying to just, you know, do something amazing. Just do something. And I'm looking at the proportions of this. It's not great. Anyway, look. So it's my job now to make this look good. So if this is what you can see how rough that is. It's really, really rough. I've got to try and do something with this. That's the discipline. Sometimes it's just a good exercise. So I'm going to push on. See what we come up with. Right, I'm done. I'm about as done as I'm going to be anyway. Yeah, it's all right. I'm fairly happy with that. Oh, you know what I've forgotten? You know what I forgot? I forgot. I'm going to put it in right now. I forgot to do a highlight on his nose. There you go. Little highlight on his nose there. Bit of a shine on his hooter. There. Yeah, it's okay. I'm fairly happy with that. I always find these tricky. They're a great challenge to do. I love all this. I've not put much detail on there, as you can see. Should I put more detail on there? Nah, do you know, it don't need it, does it? Just forget about that. Gone for the old, just the head there. Big sort of blockbustery letters. It's fine, isn't it? It's fine. It is what it is. It's because I freestyle everything I do. So the sketch you saw me do is unplanned. The colours are unplanned. These are all my sort of favourite colours, really. You know, goldy yellows and the pinks and the purples and all that. That's all my favourite stuff. So it's not like it's a massive stretch for me or anything. But still, you know, things can go badly wrong. But they didn't this time. It's okay. It's all right. It's fine. I'm happy with it. I don't know what else to say about it. There's nothing else to say about it, is there? That's it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back with something a bit. I'm going to do something a bit more substantial again. I want to do a big piece. I've not really had time to do it. Something like this only takes me 90 minutes, you know, something like that. So it's not a big deal for me to do something like this, whereas a big epic piece can take me like 6 or 7 hours, and at the moment 6 or 7 hours is a bit of a tough thing to find. So I've not had time to do one, but I really want to get into one. Also got to plan one, because like I say, a lot of my stuff is freestyled, but you can't really, well, I mean, I can freestyle a really big piece, but it sort of helps if I plan it a little bit. It helps if I just have at least a vague idea of where I'm going with it. Anyway, I will return. Yeah, I'll put this up, and I'm gonna do a flip through of something I got recently for you as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys. See you soon.